US Coast Guard Day, 4th August. Coast Guard Day is held every August 4 to commemorate the founding of the United States Coast Guard as the Revenue Marine on August 4, 1790 by then Secretary of the Treasury Alexander Hamilton. On that date, US Congress, guided by Hamilton, authorized the building of a fleet of the first 10 revenue service cutters whose responsibility would be enforcement of the first tariff laws enacted by the US Congress under the US Constitution. About US Coast Guard. The US Coast Guard received its present name through an act of the US Congress signed into law by US President Woodrow Wilson on January 28, 1915 that merged the revenue cutter service with the US life-saving service and provided the nation with a single maritime service dedicated to saving life at sea and enforcing the nation's maritime laws. The US Coast Guard began to maintain the country's maritime aids to navigation, including operating US lighthouses, when President Franklin Roosevelt announced plans to transfer of the US lighthouse service to the Coast Guard in May 1939. Congress approved the plan effective 1 July 1939. On 16 July 1946, Congress permanently transferred the Department of Commerce Bureau of Marine Inspection and Navigation to the Coast Guard, thereby placing merchant marine licensing and merchant vessel safety under Coast Guard regulation. After 177 years in the Treasury Department, the Coast Guard was transferred to the newly formed Department of Transportation effective April 1, 1967. As a result of the terrorist attack of September 11, 2001, the US Coast Guard was transferred to the new US Department of Homeland Security in 2003. Celebration. Coast Guard Day is primarily an internal activity for active duty and reserve Coast Guardsmen, civilian employees, retirees, auxiliaries, and dependents, but it does have a significant share of interest outside the service. US Coast Guard units throughout the United States usually plan picnics and informal sport competitions together with the family and friends on Coast Guard Day. In addition to celebrating their own day every year, US Coast Guardsmen also participate as equal partners in Armed Forces Day activities. Grand Haven, Michigan, also known by the Act of Congress as Coast Guard City, USA, annually sponsors the Coast Guard Festival in the week of August 4.